Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get free shipping on TikTok shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch a TikTok shop, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you get a TikTok shop? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type TikTok shop, and it's going to lead you to a page where you can now select the website for TikTok shop. Click on the official website, and in there, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on TikTok shop. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to get free shipping on TikTok shop. From your homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have these options, which include orders, products, marketing, affiliate, live and video, grid center, analytics, account health, and finance. So go ahead and click on marketing, and you have this extended menu that says shop ads, promotion, shop page, and campaign. So go ahead and click on promotions. You have the promotional tools all flashing in your face. You have those product discounts, buy more, save more, shipping fee discounts. That's what we're looking for. So go ahead and click on create. So offer delivery incentives to increase conversions and lower basket abandonment rate. Click on create button, and it's going to take you right into this window. Now over here, go ahead and enter your promotion name. Then the promotion period, it could either be indefinite or specific period. You have the shipping areas, all areas or specific areas, and you have discount settings, that's shipping fee discount type. So here you're going to have to select free shipping. If it wasn't set to free shipping, you're going to see that it's not, but free shipping is here. So select free shipping, and once you select that, promotion criteria you can apply then applies to either the entire shop or specific products. Go ahead and do that. So once you have done that, go ahead and click on agree and publish. So that is pretty much the process. This is how you can get free shipping on TikTok shop. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.